Hi, my name's Daniel. I'm Chief Operating Officer of HearHear Ltd.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm the Chief Technical Officer, and today we'd like to present to you the S1 Watch.
The S1 Watch is a 24/7 safety alert device for the deaf and hard of hearing.
The problem is that conventional alarm systems do not cater for the deaf and the hard of hearing. These systems communicate through sound and are rendered useless to our target market. However, we found through our research that there are other assistive technology products on the market. We found that they are bulky, have poor design and functionality, they are expensive and non-multifunctional.
To touch on the point, we found out through our research that many assistive technology users will have, for example, a vibrating pad for the fire alarm, another vibrating pad for the doorbell, and then again they'll have a wrist receiver or pager communicating the same alerts. None of these products are integrated with each other, none of them are communicated with each other. We resolve these issues with our S1 Watch. Some of our unique selling points are true 24/7 protection. This is done by wearing the watch as shown on screen during the day and wearing the accompanying band at night. The accompanying band is made up of a receiver and vibrating motor. This allows for more comfortable sleep while still alerting the users. We have a fully integrated web and app that allows us to use existing technologies in a phone, such as a screen and GPS, to enhance the user's experience. Our company will be one of the first companies to offer automatic public sync-up. There are new Section B proposed fire codes that require all public fire alarms to produce a 520 Hz signal. Our watch will be able to automatically sync up with this signal, alerting users in public, giving them reassurance. We have a sleek and inconspicuous design that tackles the problem of stigma often associated with assistive technology products.
Our product was co-created with Tracy Traynor. She's the Advocacy Officer at the Irish Deaf Society. She gave us great feedback on the features and the design to implement into our product, such as this round circular face and the four main notifications, them being the fire alarm, doorbell, phone and baby monitor. So how does this work? There are 4 transmitting devices and 1 receiving device. The transmitting devices consist of a sound receiver and a transmitter. This will be placed beside the sound source of your alarm, such as your fire alarm, doorbell, phone or baby monitor. When the alarm sounds, a signal is sent to the S1 Watch. The watch can then distinguish the source of the signal, lighting up the corresponding LEDs and vibrate. So here's a quick exploded animated video of our product. On the front face you can see the 4 main notifications I've mentioned, the fire alarm, doorbell, phone and baby monitor. You have a rubber seal to protect the electronics, a PC board where you have your microcontroller and your receiver, a coin vibrator and a battery. This battery is rechargeable with the use of the wireless charging coil, as you can see here. This allows you to place your device on a charging plate so it can let it be charged overnight while you wear the alternate band that Dan has mentioned. So here's an electronic breadboard demonstration of how the electronics can work. And here's a prototype of our S1 Watch.
One of our unique selling points is our app. Our app allows third parties to track, monitor and alert the user, as well as display first-party information such as quickest exit route, nearest fire assembly points, location of the fire, any additional information that wants to be provided, reminders and access to our 24/7 support team. Our target market is hearing impaired and deaf. To give you an idea of the global potential of this market, this graphic illustrates the number of hearing impaired across the world. There are 595,000 in Ireland, 10 million in the UK, 51 million in the EU, 30 million in the US, and 360 million worldwide. We have noticed in our research there has been a steady increase in this market. This is most evident in the US, where it's doubled in the past 30 years, going from 15 million to 30 million. This trend is set to continue as the UK is projected to go 10 million to 14.4 million in the next 15 years. Regarding the demographic of the 360 million worldwide, it's nearly a 50-50 split between male and female, with 91% being adults. We reflect this in our sizing and styling choices.
HearHear Ltd is in direct competition with other manufacturers and suppliers of alarm systems that communicate through light, vibration and sound. Some of these competitors include Bellman and Symphon, Serene Innovations and Sonic Alert. Here's a quick chart that displays the kind of products and features that they have to offer. We believe, through our unique selling points, that our product has a competitive advantage over our main competitors.
HearHear Ltd is located in Bray, County Wicklow, Ireland. There are many strategic reasons why this was chosen. All of our plastic components are sourced locally from Bray, while all of our electronic components are brought through Dublin Port and assembled on site. A quality control technician checks all of our stock to make sure that it meets the necessary standards.
So all the companies we're working with will meet the ISO 9000 and 9001 standards. In terms of electronics, they will meet the IPC A600 and A610. This just ensures that they've been made of a sufficient standard and can be used reliably in our product. To sell our product in the EU, we're going to have to apply for a CE marking. For IP and brand protection, we'll be going to our solicitor. They will advise us on any design rights, patents, trademarks or copyrights. Unfortunately, at the moment, major electronic retailers such as DID, Pizza Roll and Currys do not stock assistive technology at the moment. This means that our main means of distribution will be through our own website, e-commerce sites such as Amazon, and assistive technology stores. We also plan to sell our product through stores such as Hidden Hearing, Boots and Specsavers.
It's very important to be in these types of stores. It's very hard to convince people that they have hearing loss, but when they realise they have hearing loss or a family member convinces them that they have hearing loss, the first shop they go to is a hearing aid shop. We want our product to be beside hearing aids. We don't want there to be any lag time of purchasing a hearing aid and then buying assistive technology, be it 6 months, a year, 5 years. Hearing aids cost up to €2,000. Our product offering retails at $149.99, a minimum additional cost for the safety and peace of mind that it brings. Regarding our marketing, we recognise that we are marketing to different segments. We will need to employ different strategies to target these segments most effectively. We want to employ a strong emotional marketing campaign aimed at family members and loved ones of hearing impaired to show the safety features and benefits of our watch and the peace of mind that it can bring. We also want to work closely with deaf communities and deaf societies, showing the benefits of our watch, going to talks, being involved in deaf clubs and societies, and showing the benefits of our watch. We also want to get feedback and see what we do right, what we do wrong, and what we need to improve on. Business to business selling. We plan to sell our product to the hotel and service industry, the public sector, and schools and colleges. Our watch with the accompanying app can ensure safety for people in the building by tracking, monitoring, and alerting users. To give you an example of how this might work, I work in a 5-star hotel that requires all deaf and hearing impaired to let reception know so they can assign you a disability room. A disability room is normally kitted out for people in wheelchairs, it's normally on the ground floor, it's not the nicest or most pleasant room. They then also have to go to loss prevention and let them know so that in case of an emergency, they can appoint a chaperone to you to make sure that you get safely out of the building. If the hotel, for instance, had our product, they would simply give the guest the S1 watch and they'd be able to ensure their safety whilst on the premises. We plan to cross-promote our product with fire alarm manufacturers, carbon dioxide manufacturers. This will allow us to put our receivers into their products and integrate technologies rather than retrofitting our receivers onto their existing products.
The 4 founding members will collectively contribute €10,000 into the company. We'll also be looking for a further €80,000 loan. This money will go towards further web and app development, research into target market and consumer needs, and preliminary stock purchasing. This €80,000 loan will be paid back over a 50-month period at a 5.82% yearly rate.
We plan to sell 3,000 units in year 1, 5,000 units in year 2, and 10,000 units in year 3, with projected sales of just over 300,000 in year 1 and just over $1 million by year 3. Regarding our operating profit and loss, we'll run a loss in year 1 of 53,000. We'll then be in profitability by year 2 of 79,000 and just over 380,000 by year 3. This is reflected in our gross profit margin and our net profit margin.
For our organisational structure, there are 4 executive directors on the board. Again, I'm Ryan, I'm the CTO, Daniel Morgan is our COO, Jack O'Farrell is our CFO, and Stephen Walsh is our CEO. There are also 4 non-executive directors on the board. Alex Williams is our accountant, Niall Crawley is our solicitor, Fronton McKenna is our supply chain manager, and Damien Kelly is our quality control technician trainer.
Hi, I'm Stephen Walsh and I'm CEO of HearHear.
Hi, my name's Jack O'Farrell. I'm the CFO of HearHear. I'm sorry that I'm in San Francisco at the moment, but I hope you're enjoying our presentation.
By the end of year 3, HearHear Ltd plans to employ 7 people. However, this may change due to demand on our product. We are also actively seeking additional advisors such as audiologists and disability officers. On behalf of HearHear Ltd, I'd like to thank you very much for listening.